Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Okay, enough of the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Today I'm going to be going over two scenarios on the charts that at the moment are, in my opinion, playing out. So, starting on the first scenario, we have this WXY on the 4-hourly time frame. This WXY is not yet finished, as we have a W, an X, and a Y still to come down. Now, in this WXY, the Y wave should be made of a 3-wave structure, an A, B, and a C. Now, we are currently finished this green B wave, and now we are currently moving down in this wave C. So if we move into the 1-hourly time frame, we can see here that we've had a 5-wave move down. A 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is currently the first move down and is labeled as the purple wave 1. Our wave 2 is possibly now finished. A, B in a triangle, and a C as discussed in yesterday's video. This perfectly rejected off the area we said yesterday at the 1-to-1 level at 64,441. Look at that perfect touch. Elliott Wave is really, really special. Now, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see the move down. I count as currently an expanding diagonal. Now you can see something like this and something like this off that wave 2. Now, an expanding diagonal is very specific in the move down. So if we go to my Discord channel and look at the Elliott Wave education page, you can see that an expanding diagonal is this over here. It has every move in it a 3-wave structure, and this does expand. Wave 5 being the largest wave, and wave 1 being the smallest wave. So, if you see here, wave 5 at the moment is not yet the largest wave, but I do expect something of an A, B, and a C to come down. This wave 4 is possibly also finishing over here, and we then have something like this in that expansion, and the trend line like this. This is what I expected the move to be as we are approaching that first wave 1 down. Then followed by this wave 1 down, we should get a wave 2, then a 3, 4, 5 in that larger degree wave 3. That is the move that I'm tracking at the moment. It should be something like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The target for this entire 5-wave move is the 1-to-1 ratio at $45,390. That is where I expect price to go to. And then from there, reject off there and go up to those bull market targets that we've been talking about for ages. Now, on the second scenario, we can see here, this is the second scenario, the most bullish scenario on the chart, where we have a WXY which is finished. A finished WXY, and now we are moving up impulsively and to that those higher prices at the $85,000 to $100,000 level. So, when a correction is finished, we often look for a 5-wave structure up, either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a diagonal, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where wave 1 and wave 4 overlap in price. That is called a diagonal. Every move in this diagonal should be a 3-wave structure. So as you can see here, this is very typical of a 3-wave structure here. This is as well. And then we had another 3 waves up, and now we are looking for 3 waves down. The C wave would still be the impulsive move we talked about on the other scenario. So in both scenarios, we do expect a bit of lower prices. In this one, a little bit. In the other one, quite a lot. So we should reject off this trend line here at the trend line that is built from this low in Y, the low in 2, and then should make a low in 4. That is what I expect to occur. Then after this move down, we should get a 3-wave structure in 5, finishing off the larger degree wave 1, come down for that larger degree wave 2, and then blast off in that massive wave 3. That would be the plan on this scenario here. Now, for trade possibilities starting on the 4-hourly time frame, I would wait on the 4-hourly time frame, as both scenarios where we short from the 1-to-1 here and short from this 1-to-1 in the wave 2 have indeed played out. If we zoom in here, you can see that both these areas to enter have indeed now played out. We are still in a short on our Discord from here, and now on another short from that 1-to-1 there. So I would not short or long anything on the 4-hourly time frame until we get this entire correction finished, longing from the 1-to-1 at $45,390. Then on the 1-hourly time frame, I would wait again until more info is on the chart. So you can see here that after this wave 1, we should get a wave 2. Shorting from this area would be the trade, possibly for tomorrow. We just need to wait for a bit more info. Then on the 15-minute time frame, I would also say wait for a bit more info, as we don't know what structure is possibly playing out here. This could be an expanding diagonal finished, or this could be a larger expanding diagonal. So you don't want to long from here, or long from here targeting this move, or short from up here when that price is not going to get there in a while. So on the 15-minute time frame, I say no trade for today. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Discord, where we do updates every single day, and all our trades are marked here. We can see that we took a trade on the 1-hourly time frame and the 4-hourly time frame that is still open, the trade 8 and trade 9. We also took a trade yesterday from that 1-to-1 as mentioned in that wave 2, and it is obviously still in, so they are still to be confirmed. But thank you so much for watching. It's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers, guys.